Come here, Bubby. Yeah, today Katie's exactly 11 and a half months old. Take a walk, sweetie. Where are you going, bub? Honey, you gotta get behind it. There we go. Where are you going, Katie? Are you taking a walk? Are you taking a walk? Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Watch the wall. Turn. You gotta turn. There we go. Okay. Oops, you hit the wall again. There we go. Whoops. Are you stuck? All right, see you later. See you later.